Welcome you all in education and information 12th English new syllabus from this year. And yes, in this video we'll learn about appreciation of the poem, which is very important question for exam. Thanks for watching, joining me on YouTube. And yes, Indian Weaver by SAROJINI Naidu. This poem in detail already you watched. Hi, welcome you all in education and information 12th English new syllabus. And yes, my dear friend, in this video we will learn about appreciation of the poem. Thanks for watching, for following and joining us. And yes, many thanks for watching a video on Indian Weaver by सरोजिनी नायडू in detail. आपने अभी तक ये वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो इसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगा. And yes, dear friend, if you like, comment, share and subscribe. Let's learn appreciation of poem 2.2 Indian Weaver by Sarojini Naidu, Nightingale of India. The poetic appreciation of the poem Indian Weaver with the help of the following points. About the poem, poet and the title, the theme, poetic style, language, poetic devices, special features, message, value, values, morals in the poem, and the last, your opinion of the poem. दोस्तों, ये 4 पॉइंट्स हैं और 4 मार्क्स के लिए है. ये क्वेश्चन कंपलसरी एनी एग्जामिनेशन में, टर्मिनल, यूनिट टेस्ट और बोर्ड एग्जाम में पूछा ही जाता है. ऑन एवरी पोएम इट इज़ नेसेसरी. सो 4 पॉइंट है और 4 मार्क्स के लिए क्वेश्चन है. सो आपको उसके अकॉर्डिंगली पॉइंट वाइज एक्सप्लेनेशन लिखना है. क्वेश्चन कैन बी फ्रेम इन डिफरेंट वेज, बट येस इट विल बी लाइक दिस ओनली. मे बी समटाइम्स अबाउट द पोएम, समटाइम्स अबाउट द पोएट and the title, sometimes it can be asked the theme, poetic style, language, sometimes it can be asked the central idea of the poem. In this way question will be framed, question will be there in the question paper and we need to respond this question, and it's very easy. We need to write the answer and get good marks. Let's begin one by one about the poem, poet and the title. The title of the poem. The title of the poem is self-explanatory and appropriate. It is expressed through the Indian weavers and act of weaving different clothes. Yes, title Indian Weaver is self-explanatory and appropriate, or it is telling about the act of weavers, the weaving different clothes and different time. If you want to learn the poem in detail, go through the description box, so you will understand the appreciation of the poem once you watch that video. So it will be very easy to understand the poetic appreciation point wise. About the poet, Sarojini Naidu was a great patriot, politician, speaker, poet and one of the most famous idols of the 20th century. Her birthday is celebrated as a Women's Day. She is known as the Nightingale of India. Next, about the poem, Indian Weaver is about 3 types of cloth that the weavers weave at 3 particular time of a day. Each stanza of the poem. Next, about the poem, Indian Weaver is about 3 types of cloth that the weavers weave at 3 particular times of a day. Each stanza of the poem represents the 3 important events of human life: birth, adulthood and death. The colors mentioned in the stanzas are very significant as they indicate the moods related to the event. Next, the theme, poetic style, language and poetic devices. Theme, it can be called as the central idea of the poem. The central theme of the poem expressed through the weaving act of weavers. The central idea of the poem remarked that all human beings who are born on this earth rise up, feel their joys, sorrows, and finally have to die one day. The human life fills with happiness, enjoyment, excitement, and sadness. Next, language and style. The language texture of the poem is simply yet profound. It might have a symbolic meaning. It is a metrical short poem. It has 3 stanzas of 4 lines each. The stanza pattern of this poem is quatrain. It creates a rhyme. Theme or central idea of the poem. The central theme of the poem expressed through the weaving act of weavers. The central idea of the poem remarked that all human beings who are born on this earth rise up, feel their joys, sorrows, and finally have to die one day. The human life fills with happiness, enjoyment, excitement, and sadness. Next, language and style. The language textures of the poem is simple yet profound. It might have a symbolic meaning. It is metrical short form. It has 3 stanzas of 4 lines each. The stanza pattern of the poem is quatrain. It creates a rhythm and a musical effect on reader. Next, poetic devices. The poetic devices of simile, symbolism, metaphor, and imaginary have been used here by poetess. Next, special features, message, values, morals in the poem. Message, values, morals. The poem gives a spiritual and philosophical message of life. Every man and woman who is born finally has to die one day, whether they are the rich or the poor. The poem reminds us the law of nature. The poem also teaches the moral life, that life is so fragile and vulnerable. Your opinion about the poem? Yes, my dear friend. यहाँ पे आप खुद का ओपिनियन पोएम के बारे में लिख सकते हो. दिस इज़ योर ओपिनियन, सो यू विल गेट 1 marks over here. I like the poem for its images and symbols used by poet. This poem is best to throw light on Indian philosophy, that is birth, youth, and death are the ultimate truth of life. Here you can add your own point as your opinion about the poem. And this is what about the appreciation of the poem. I hope you need to go through in detail. You can take screenshot if you want. And yes, my dear friend, thanks for watching.